Hey praisers and savers, I just left Publix. Today is January the 23rd, I think, 23rd, 2021, and they have some really great deals. I only got 3 deals. It was a small haul, but it was really nice because they had these Dove deodorants. They are BOGO this week. I got 4 of them. There's a $1.50 off coupon that comes out in the paper this week, and this is going to make each deodorant 47 cents. So Dove deodorant, 47 cents each. I got these for my blessing bags because I always need women's deodorant. I get men's deodorant more often than I do get women's. Now I'm super excited about this. These are the Sargento balance breaks. They are also BOGO this week, and there's a $1 off coupon. So you can use a $1 off coupon and a $1 off coupon on the buy one and the get free. Remember that. A lot of people don't know that. When it's a buy one, get one free, you can still use a coupon on this and a coupon on this. And so I got these for $1 each. And so I got 4 of them. Whoop. 1, 2, 3, $4. $4. They're actually $4 each, like in the store, but with the sale and the coupon, 4, 8, 12, 16. There's $16 for this, but I only paid $4. That's a really great deal. I like the, I got the cheddar ones, and I got the one with the chocolate in it. Yummy, yummy. Good snack to get when you're late for work. Grab one out the refrigerator, $1 each, usually $3.99. Now, here was the deal on those Sargento balance breaks. I went to the cheese section because at Publix, I'm figuring, okay, it's going to be in the cheese section, right? So I go to the cheese section, and all they had was like a weird 6-pack, and they were 2 for $8. And I'm like, that's not it. They got to have them. They got them advertised. The guy helped me, and they were actually over there at the Lunchable section. So they were right above the Lunchable. So if you don't see these in your store, look in the Lunchable section. All right, so my last and final thing that I got today were Doggy Strips, the Vegan Doggy Strips. I think these are $3.99, and I have a $1 off coupon, BOGO. So $3.99, but they're BOGO. So buy one, get one free. I use a $1 off coupon and a $1 off coupon. So when you do that, it makes each bag $1. So BOGO, buy one, get one free, use a $1 off coupon, use a $1 off coupon, and it brings it on down to $1 each. Now, what's funny about these vegan strips for dogs is we don't have a dog. We don't own a dog. I always have dog food and cat food, but I don't own a dog. But my kids have noticed that a lot of the people that we give blessing bags to, sometimes they have dogs with them, they have pets, and they always feel bad. They want to give the pet something, and I've been like trying to think about it, you know, because I don't want to have like carrying around a big bag of dog food in my car, and it smells like dog food in my car. And so now this is going to be the best thing. So we'll start doing like little treat bags like this if we can find it for a good deal to give to people for their dogs. It'll be a little blessing bag for doggies for them whenever they have an animal with them. So, all right, guys. So I got all this stuff with taxes for $10. $10. That's crazy because remember, these are $1 each. I got 4 bags, so that's $4. 4. These are $1. They were $1 each. I got 4 of them, so that adds up. This and this is $8. And these were 47 cents each, and I got 4 of them. So that's $2. So 4, 8, $2, 10 bucks. And there were some taxes on there, but still an awesome deal today at Publix. Wasn't big, but it was big enough, and I'm going to actually get some more of these because I have more coupons, but you can only use so many coupons at once. So, all right, guys, thank you much for tuning into my video today on Publix. If you like this video, please say dog food in the comments, like, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all tomorrow with my Kroger video and then my CVS breakdown. Thanks, guys. Bye.